My name is Nwankwo Uzo from the Department of Agricultural Economics, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm currently on our fourth year IT program. There are different farms units in this faculty. We have soil science, we have crop science, we have animal science, but currently I'm in animal science farm where we have different units. We have cattle units, we have poultry units, we have pasture units, we have micro livestock units comprising of the feed mill, the rabbit, the fish, the snail, and then we also have the piggery units. So my experience so far has been so great because we have been taught a lot. Because all these units that I just mentioned now, they have been rotating us from one unit to the other, from poultry to pasture, from pasture to piggery, from piggery to cattle. And all these things we have been acquiring great experience that will help us later in life. For this IT, I can say it's very, very nice. In fact, the organizers have tried so far because I can confidently say that each one of us have learned something that can actually make him self-employed after university. Thank you very much.